This is a therapeutic video to give yourself lumbar traction at home using the yoga posture Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog, with a yoga belt or strap and a very sturdy door. So you'll create a loop with your strap. You'll walk to the door and you'll basically place the strap around the door handles, one on each side, one end of the strap on each side. And then you'll crawl into your setup. Place the strap down at your hip creases. And I like to slide or rotate the strap around so that the D-ring or the buckle aspect of the strap is not right in the hip creases, because that's not comfortable. Being barefoot is strongly advised, especially if you are on hardwood floor. Even if you're on carpet, barefoot is the way to go. And then you walk forward as far as you can. Hinge forward from the hips, keeping your spine nice and long and tall, neutral spine. Reach your arms forward to touch the floor, and then you'll step the feet back without creating any slack in the strap. So keep the hips moving forward and into the belt, the strap, as you walk the hands forward. And relax your neck, completely relax your neck. You might keep the knees bent. You might play with straightening one knee at a time, feeling some nice elongation in the low back. Some people will benefit from walking the hands to one side to elongate the opposite side of the body, the rib cage, the thoracic spine, and walking across again. If you have scoliosis and you know, for example, that you have a left lumbar curve, you might walk the hands toward the left to neutralize the curve. And those types of instructions can be given specifically by your therapist. Breathing here and hanging out the first time you do this for maybe 5 or so breaths. And then as you work into this longer and longer, you'll be able to hang for longer. Some people also enjoy elbows to the floor. Some people also enjoy interlacing the hands behind the neck. That gives a different sensation to the traction. To come out of the pose, return the hands to the floor, walk the feet forward, maintaining the tension in the strap. And I like to keep my weight forward, maintaining the tension as I come to stand.